new appearance 200-watt mini laser spot welding machine. The machine is highly integrated and the sheet metal quality is very good. HD microscope and built-in HDCCD can magnify 10 times. The exterior color can be customized. Large working space is conducive to operation. The microscope and the display screen are on a horizontal line, which is ergonomic. Built-in air cooling and water circulation system, 13 liters water tank, can achieve long hours of work every day. The ports, cycle in and cycle out, that can be connected to an external chiller are reserved. Click pump in to start automatic pumping, and it will stop pumping automatically when the water tank is full. Parameters can be adjusted on the left side of the control screen, and suitable parameters can be adjusted according to different materials for welding. This machine is mainly used in precision processing industries such as jewelry, dental laboratories, watches and so on. The welding effect on gold and silver is very good.